Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to merge cells in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to merge cells, just so you will see how to do it. Here you will see all the cells. The cell which I have selected is A4. Okay, this is A4 and I want to merge A4, B4, C4, okay, D4, E4 and F4. Okay, so what you have to do to merge the cell, you have to select all the cell, okay, which you want to merge. Okay, so I want to merge A2, F4. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see merge and center option. Just choose the merge and center. Okay, now you will see all the the cell is merged, okay, from A4 to F4. Okay, now write any text here like this. Hi, how are you? Okay, so what are you doing? Okay, like this, and then you can just use all the functions beside the merge. Okay, you can just like this, you can increase the size, and now you can middle align the text to the middle. Okay, you can also align the text to the top of the cell and also to the bottom of the cell. Okay, so and beside this you will see here you can change the angle of the text. You can also choose all these things you can do with the text. Okay, so like this you can align the text. Okay, or merge cells in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.